Hello everyone, welcome to Grip and Go Moto. Today we're in the middle of beautiful Switzerland. It's a sunny day and I wanted to take this opportunity to present you two different products I bought on AliExpress. Handlebar foam mounts, I probably paid $7 or $8, and this rear view mirror foam mount that I probably paid the same, $7 or $8. So I'm gonna take you through the installation process, a quick review of the product and what contains each box, and we're gonna go for a ride as well. Let's go. What's in the box? You will find 4 different adapters for your handlebars with different diameters. So you can see here, these ones have been cut because I couldn't find one that would fit my handlebars. It was either too large or too tight, so I had to find a mix between two to make it work, and it works pretty well. Then you will find the universal adapter that you're supposed to stick at the back of your phone or on your phone case. The adhesives here looks way too weak, so I didn't even try to mount it on my phone case. I wouldn't trust it. So what I did instead, I did buy the quad lock universal adapter, which has a much better adhesives, 3M adhesives. This one is not going anywhere, so I would definitely recommend spending a bit more to get this to secure your phone. And then the last piece, of course, is the foam mount itself. So the quality of the product is actually quite good. The finish is not as polished as the quad lock product. For sure, you can see the plastic here is a bit, you know, it's not as smooth as the quad lock product, but it is very strong, very sturdy. The spring seems to be doing the job, and the system is very much the same, and it goes perfectly together with this universal adapter that you see here. And the second product that I bought is the rear view mirror foam mounts. It comes with 3 different adapters. It comes with the universal adapter for your phone or for your phone case that you're supposed to stick at the back. But again, I would not recommend using that. I would recommend the quad lock product instead. It comes with a vibration absorber that I will not be mounting on my motorcycle. It's just 2 pieces of plastic linked together with a spring in the middle. In terms of vibration, I'm not sure what it's doing, but it looks very fragile, and I think if you're doing off-road with this, it would break off. And of course, the rear view mirror foam mounts. So again, here the product it's quite good. I think the overall finish is not as smooth as the quad lock product again, but the plastic is very sturdy. I think this is not going anywhere. The spring is doing its job, and the system works very well, as you can see here. So it sits tight, yeah. So we're gonna install the rear view mirror mount. I'm gonna install it here on the Ténéré. It's quite handy to place your phone here. So I'm gonna use this adapter, and then I'm gonna use these mounts that I'm gonna place like this, and then we're gonna need to get the screw here and the Allen key that is actually provided with the product that you can come place like this. And then we're gonna install this part here that's gonna come on top just like this, and that you're gonna screw with the second Allen key that is also provided. So it's actually very quick to mount. And here again, so using my phone case with the quad lock universal adapter, just have to come place it like this, turn, and your phone is installed. So now we're gonna install the handlebar version. So as I had mentioned, I needed to use 2 different adapters and cut it to make it fit my handlebars. So you just place it like so. Here, you come wrap it around your handlebars. And again, you're just gonna need this 1 Allen key and this 1 screw. And same thing here, you have a lot of adjustments. You see here, you can install it the same way using the universal adapter from quad lock. So yeah, also very handy, quite sturdy. So Now we're gonna go for some real life tests. So my thoughts on these products, I think they're quite good, especially given the price, between $7 and $8 or 7 and 8 euros. You can't really beat that. It's sturdy, does the job, looks good, so I would recommend it. I will put the links in the description. I hope this review was useful to you. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comment section, and see you in the next one.